mackerel sky. Means there's plenty of mackerel out there.
What type of fish have you actually bought?
Oh, we
No, bought in the supermarket normally. What kind of fish do you buy?
masses of
No, in Tesco's. I mean,
in Tesco's.
what do you normally buy?
I don't shop in Tesco's.
What's your favourite 5 types of fish that you would normally eat?
Prawn, sea bass, mackerel, haddock,
good. Haddock, one more.
salmon.
Well done. Let's see how many we catch. Goodbye, Newhaven. Yeah. Seems a lot of mackerel there.
I'm the sun
Fish.
and the air. All the shyness that is criminally vulgar.
I think we're going to spare its life. What do you think?
Yeah.
Back in the sea for you. Right.
Nothing in particular.
Oh yeah, quite near there. Oh! That hurts a bit. I think he's got a headache. Ow! Leave me. Oh! Death to the fish.
This big.
How many did you catch?
30.
How many did you catch? 8. I think Alex won. 10. You're telling the truth. There's the pier. There's the struts. Jonas Darlinstein reporting on what happens when herring gulls are fed a mackerel. They're not called herring gulls for nothing, of course. Here's a mackerel. Go. As you can see, it's not the most popular thing in the world. Oh yeah, it is. It's going to eat the whole thing. My God, can you see that? Jesus Christ. It's fish mania here. It's eating the whole fish. It ate the whole fish. This was Jonas Darlinstein reporting from the herring gulls like mackerel experiment. Successful, of course. Back to the studio.
Oh my God!